Hello everyone, welcome to our E-Innovista channel. In today's session, we implement the LED dot matrix using myRIO. So about myRIO, it is a mechatronics kit of National Instrument developed, and it has a two channel MXP, that one is A and another is B. So in previous videos, we also explained that what is myRIO and its application. And in this video, we implement the LED dot matrix, that is 8 cos 8 matrix, that has the pin number 12, that are 8 rows, and C1 8G columns green and C1 to 8 are its column red. It is a dot matrix, and this 1 to 4, it is the DIO channel, that DIO 0 1 2 3 4, and refers to the this row, that row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4. Row 1, it denotes the DIO pin, and row 2 denotes to the DIO 1, row 3 as well as DIO 2, and row 4 is DIO 3. And into the upper case, you go through the row 5, it is DIO 4, and row 6 is DIO 5, row 7 it's DIO 6, and row 8 is DIO 7. So it is a DIO part, and the column part is C1 green 8 to C1 C8G. That's the column 1 to 8G green terminal of this LED. So C1G is connected the DIO 1, DIO 0, as well as C2Z, DIO 1, C3G, DIO 2, and it is up to DIO 7 from 12. So in lower case, you see that the 12 pin is present, and the upper view of this dot matrix is another 12. So 24 pins is available in this LED dot matrix. So we implement in the myRIO, that LED dot matrix connected to myRIO A and B channel in this diagram as well as. So at first, the analog, the A channel, that DIO pin, that's row 1, for this row 1 column, for this row 1, and this DIO 0, it's connected to the A channel, myRIO A channel pin number 11, and another DIO 1, it is also connected to the myRIO A channel pin number 13, DIO 2 A channel pin number 15, DIO 3 A channel pin number 17, and then we connected the DIO 4, it's A channel pin number 19, DIO 5, it's connected to pin number 21, DIO 6 connected to 23, and as well as DIO 7 is connected to the 25. So another, the DIO, that's green color for the column and red color for the column, that's connected to the B channel in the myRIO setup. So C1G, that's connected to the myRIO B channel, DIO 0, DIO 1 11 pin number 13, DIO 2 pin number 15, DIO 3 17, DIO 4 19, DIO 5 21, DIO 6 23, and DIO 7 is 25. As well as into the C column, red color for this C1R, it's connected to the DIO 8 pin number 27, and DIO 9 pin number 29, DIO 10 31, DIO 11 18, DIO 12 22, DIO 13 26, DIO 14 32, and the DIO 15 is connected to the B channel 34 number pin in the myRIO setup. So as well as this diagram, we also connected that the myRIO setup into the, from dot matrix to the cable into the myRIO A and B channel setup. So after this connection, we implement into the LabVIEW software for this programming. So going to the LabVIEW software, it is open also, and I will show that the block diagram of this program code. That is, this one is the our graphical programming code. That's pattern code here. We also first we require the channel pattern, what we code here given here, and then it's going to the digit, boolean digit, it's binary digit, it is going to the array format, and then it is loop connected after this loop into an array format, and then it is going to the LED matrix driver, and this one has the DIO channel. So in this graphical format, we need to explain that into the front panel, that we going to the front panel, the LED matrix demo. In this case, we implement that 0 to 9. This pattern will also be executed, and this one is run first, and it is saved. After that, it's close. Then we first is red color can print. This was our first pattern. So our this one is the first pattern. Then it's going here. As well as our pattern is completed into the red color. So if we next go to the print that 0 to 9 number, so first it is stopped here. I will show how to execute that 0 to 9 number print. And in the red pattern, you will see that this is a hexadecimal code for this pattern. First we stop this. Here we implement some pattern codes. For one, you can print this 1 to 9, is 0 to 9. Its first is 0 channel, and second one is 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As well as it can print. So going to our front panel again. So we need to implement that 0 to 9 code for this setup. That's dot matrix will print the 0 to 9 numbers. So at first we on the auto pattern mode, and then going to the run into the front panel. The deployment progress is complete, then close, and then it's print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 can print, as well as it's return to continue. That's the process. That's 4, 5, 6, again 7, 8, 9, 0 to 1, 2, 3, as well as it can print the number. So it is another pattern. And next we will explain our another pattern. That's for this pattern, implement that you can choose from there this setup. This one is another pattern you can implement in this dot matrix, as well as changes the green color. So it is also implement the green color into the dot matrix. What we show, either you put green or red, also can changeable. So in this way, you can print this pattern or change the color at red, or either green. So next, we print another pattern. I will show you just 1 minute in this case. First, it's remove this color. Which top? Yes, I will pattern some new, prepare some pattern, copy, and then this window, and here you paste for this first one. Next, for this channel is connected. Next, it is the another pattern. This is a code our. So for this, you delete this. Okay. After that, we select for this, we run, then save. Click auto pattern. First this, then after that again it can be print. This pattern we also implement in this case. So write your code first and then it's implement into the channel and then going to the, it will show into the dot matrix. So hope you are enjoying this session. If you need the step-by-step guidance as this, so please subscribe our E-Innovista channel for upcoming future videos and the training modules. Thank you.